I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a stable base. Rest one chopstick against the ring finger and palm so it stays anchored. Once anchored, place the second stick between your thumb and index finger as if holding a pencil. This one moves. Make sure the tips line up and are about 1 to 2 centimeters apart when relaxed, because tip alignment gives precision. Now gently practice opening and closing the top stick while the bottom remains fixed. This is the core motion you will repeat. Once you have the grip, practice picking up simple items like a grain of rice or a cube of tofu so you learn control. You should pinch by moving the top stick down using your index and middle fingers while the thumb steadies. This creates a precise clamp. Approach the food from a slight angle so you catch its center of mass, which prevents tipping. Make small pressure adjustments as you lift. Too hard crushes delicate food, too light and it will slip out. You finish by transferring food to your mouth with a steady, controlled lift. Keep movements small and avoid twisting the wrist, because stability prevents spills. For tricky, slippery pieces, rotate the sticks to form a brief tongue and secure the item, or bring the bowl close and scoop to reduce distance. If something falls, stop and reset. Relax your hand, realign the tips, and repeat slow, deliberate lifts. That reset trains muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.